Guys, this is Josh Schwanberry. I'm here at this house that we're redoing, remodeling and things like that, and this completely looks like drywall. And then I get to this wood header, which let me show you real quick. There's a wood header right above the closet. Now I don't want to cover it up with drywall or anything like that. I wanted it just to be finished product, but I didn't want it to look like wood when I painted it. So I had an idea to take some of my extra drywall mud and taping, and what I'm going to do is grab my knife here, go up here just to make it look like a finished product, stick it up here and skim coat it with the drywall mud. See how it fills in all the little holes and things like that? So that when it's all said and done, I could just caulk the corners and paint it. And it'll look like drywall. It'll be nice and smooth, finished product. So I don't have to put drywall over it. I don't know if anybody's used this idea or not. You just skim it real fat, real tight. Pull all the extra mud off there, and it'll make the wood nice and smooth. So if anybody has any comments or any other ideas about this, just let me know. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you like my video. Thanks.